I'm not brave enough. Wow, what in the France is this? Two guys just casually having a little fire in the road. No idea why. Is it normal? Welcome to Beijing. I'm just getting out the metro. Police wanted to see the passports. They wanted to see everyone's ID just to leave the metro. Crazy. Alright. Here we are. Well, first impressions, we got the metro to the main square, the Forbidden City. Police absolutely everywhere, checking faces, passports, everything. Oh wow. Well, that's the river that goes around. Look, it's not moving, so it's just full of ice right now. Look at that, it's frozen. There's a little bottle on top. Oh wow. Yeah, so there's the Forbidden City here. We'll have that in a separate video. But yeah, like anywhere in China, there's just CCTV absolutely everywhere. But this is the east gate for the Forbidden City. But I'm gonna come here in a different video and explore it properly. But this is like a first impression video. But yeah, police everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Wow, it's a busy one. Okay, we're about to have our first food in Beijing. We found this hot pot place. Well, it's called Not Pot, so I hope it's still good. But yeah, the food goes around and you cook it yourself. Let's go. So here's the sauce station. I don't know what anything is, but maybe we can work it out. We have some coriander or cilantro. We have spring onion or green onion, whatever. Ooh, tough one. Some peanuts, some peanuts there. What's this one? This looks like peanut sauce. Let's do the double peanut. Oops. And maybe a bit of garlic as well. There we go. Winner. Okay, here we go. I've got my little pot going, look, on my little cooker. So I got a tomato-based one, and you got a mushroom-based one. And let's have a look at some of the things on here. We have bean sprouts. You can get a pack of noodles, look, put those in. What looks like toasted edamame. Now a lot of the ingredients between you and me, very, well, for example those, there's a lot of, it's like very fried, almost like very buttery, like if you're not used to kind of fatty foods, it's almost a bit too much. Some sausage here, lettuce, what is that? Oh, that's more sausage. I might have a bit of sausage. Yeah. I already lost my tongs. I accidentally put them back and they went around, so I don't know where they are.
Maybe it's done.
There's some fish.
Maybe it's done.
Some cabbage.
Maybe it's this one.
Some mushrooms.
Maybe it's this one.
I'm not sure what that is. Looks like egg cubes or something. Boiled egg. I haven't seen any chicken feet though. Yeah, everything is pretty safe. Tofu. It's alright, isn't it? Look, and it goes all the way down there. Wow. I finally found some lotus root. The last time we had the opportunity to try this was at a hot pot, but everyone ate it first. You gotta be quick when sharing with friends. Tastes like water chestnut. Oh, they got the jellied organs. Whoa.
That's blood.
Yeah, I think so.
like pork belly.
Okay, we're coming in for some chicken real estate. We gotta be quick. We gotta be quick. We gotta be quick. Go, go, go. Go, go. There's shit.
Keep it. That's you.
Yeah, the meat's super floppy. I'm not sure why or how. Got some McNuggets on here. Yoink. Didn't expect to see those buggers. Yeah, I thought these were drinks, but it's actually stock, so you can refill your pot. That's probably a good job I didn't start drinking it. And what the hell is that? Whoa. We're getting dangerous, Oh yeah, no, I'm not brave enough. Yeah, so the guy working here, he keeps like coughing up mucus, and it is putting me off my food. It's like, oh, I'm struggling. Apparently it's quite normal here. Okay, I think I understand the system now. So the vegetables are fresh, but most of the meat here is at quite low quality. If you want good meat, you pay $2 extra, because a lot of the chicken I've been picking up is like, that's just fat. Look, the whole thing. And the sausage here, if you flip it upside down, no. Yeah, look, just full of fat there. Yeah, I don't think I'm brave enough for that one either. Goodbye, mystery dish, whatever you are. Look what I found in this Chinese supermarket. That's crazy. I had no idea. I knew about that. I knew about the fishies, but wow, what in the France is this? I found another one for you. Pig heads. Big bucket of pig heads too. Yeah, check it out, look. Pizza John Cena. Yeah. You have some oil in your rice.
I think I have rice in my oil.
Sorry, that's what I meant. Okay, joke failed.